Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to cut the baseboard trim to fit in with the angle. So I don't have a laser cutter, but I have bought a Stanley cutter which comes with this angled bracket, and it comes with a saw to cut the baseboard. So let's do it. So it's very easy. You just have to I already made the angle here, so it's 45 degrees from here. So just put the bracket like this in here, and as you can see, this is the 45 degrees cut. So we have to make sure we put the saw here and cut it. So let's start here. So we will put one of these here like this. So we have to just make sure first it comes in the border. So we will align this at the 45 degrees angle and like this. So we just put one thing here and then one thing here, so just to give it a support, and we just cut it like this. Basically you can also mount these brackets for a better grip. I don't have anything to mount these as of now, so I'm doing this. So we just have to make our way through it. And you see, it's done at this angle exactly which I wanted, and this piece came out like this. So that's how you do it without the laser. And if you want cheap fix for this, you can use this mounting cup. It's around $25. You can get it from the Home Depot. So we got this cut here, and now you can use it as a baseboard trim, and it also has several options like the 22.5 degree, 0 degree, 30, 60 degree, and then again 45 degree. So there are a lot of things you can do with this, and it's very super solid, as you can see, because it cut the baseboard in the half. The laser is too expensive. The laser cutter, it was around $400, so I bought this thing. I was skeptical, but with this look I am completely fine with it. You just have to paint a little bit here and it should be good to go. So thank you for watching my video. I will put the link in the description for this Stanley it's called like a Stanley cutter. I will put the link in the below, and thank you for watching my video. If you like, please share, subscribe and comment.